What's up? Just got to the shop. Perfect. I don't even know what to say. This is gonna be awkward as shit. Back at it again. Oh yeah, fuck that. What's up? My name is Matthew Futch. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hopefully you stick around. And if you're returning, I really appreciate that. I don't know why I use my hands so much, but hey, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be working on a 1998 Harley Road King. We just painted the bike purple and the owner now wants it orange with ghost flames. So we're going to be taking the front fender off, the gas tank, the side covers, the saddlebag. Should be a good video for you guys. This is my bike. It's a 2000 Yamaha V-Star. I'll go into that in a whole different video. We need to get this bike moved so we can work on the Road King.
What we do here is go back.
Now that I got the bikes moved, I'm gonna have to put this Harley up on the red jack. Now that it's up on the jack, we're gonna have to take a lot of the chrome off. So basically what we have to do is take the brake cover off, fork cover, and then the brake rotor cover off. So then we'll do that. Then we gotta take the front fender off. Then coming back, we gotta take the gas tank off. It's why they don't have their actual pieces that go on there is because we did paint the tank in the fender, and then the guy's like, yeah, no, I want it orange. Tell me what you guys think the color should be down in the comments. Should it be purple? Should it be that burnt orange? Or hey, should it be another color? You tell me. So basically we put it back on the bike just to let him make his final decision. Hey, I do want to have it purple, let's do the rest, or no, I actually want orange in the end. So always make sure you remember your bags. Bag and tag everything. It'll help you a lot when you go to try to put it back together. So we're back. The wheel is off. We're gonna work on getting these inner bolts in the fender off. Front fender is off. I'm now gonna clean up everything that just got taken off the bike. Gonna put the front wheel back on the bike, get it rollable, and then we'll work our way back to the tank, seat, bags, all the chrome everywhere. We have the front wheel back on, so that's back on. We got the fender off, which is over in there somewhere. And so now we're gonna work on the gas tank. I'm gonna get my camera repositioned, get the light all good, and then we'll start working on that. So we're gonna take off the saddlebags on the Harley, so all you do is open them up. Be careful when you do that. Make sure nothing gets scratched. And then there's 2 twist clips. Just twist it, take it off. And then now, before I take them out, I like to close the bags so it doesn't hit anything, and then take them out. So after taking off the saddlebags of the Harley Davidson, I have to now disassemble the saddlebags. So first you're going to come in and undo these. They're going to be Torx bits. Once you get those off, you're going to then flip the saddlebag and you're going to take off these 2 bolts and then that one right here, and then that's going to be the top chrome, as you can see right there, right in here. So and then you're going to want to take off that handle. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to probably do it off camera so it doesn't get boring for you guys. Another update, we have both bags now disassembled. Got the tops of them off, got the bottoms, all the hardware off. I have everything in bags, and then I have my chrome pieces right there. So we're looking good. We're making good time on it. Okay guys, that's where I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna head home. Got a lot of progress, so I will see you guys later.